We've had a bit of snow. Here, I'll show you. Machinery. Next. So that has kept me busy all day. I am going to spend the rest of the afternoon trying to catch up with your comments and questions on social media and email. I've been away from that for a bit. So my apologies if anyone's waiting for an important answer. I will try to provide that today. Don't worry, the BMW filming will commence soon. I will have another video pertaining to that before that happens. So you'll see that from me in a few days. And that's it. So remember, your donations go to help the filming end of things. And the more I get in donations for filming, the more filming I can do. More video for you all. But that requires SD cards and hard drives and